Hello. What's up, every single body? We here again with another DIY video. And, this is for a little experiment y'all can try with the kids at home on a rainy day or snowy day or, whenever you want to. But, today we're going to be making some slime. I have two colors. My nephew wanted blue. And, in honor of St. Patrick's Day, green. So, what it calls for, these are just three simple ingredients. It calls for cornstarch, a cup of cornstarch, and a cup.
You got it now?
Yeah, I was doing it right. Why? Why? It's supposed to be for the kids. Why?
Kids has gas. So do I.
It was supposed to be for the kids. That's all.
It's like eggs.
It's supposed to be for the kids, man. What about the kids? Relax.
Sorry.
What about the kids,
I'm
man?
sorry.
Think about the kids. Alright, people. Just got finished stirring it up. Now I'm going to add a couple drops of this green food color. Yo, you got on my finger. Can I get it off?
No, it's stuck there forever.
Stop playing.
Happy St. Patrick's. And this is the cornstarch that was used. Clapper girl.
At your neighborhood Walmart food line.
Was it at Walmart? It wasn't at Food Line either. Stop lying.
Well, they can get cornstarch. They can get cornstarch at their neighborhood Walmart and
maybe not this brand, but you can get cornstarch. Cornstarch is the best way to light art.
Lex, what you doing? Alright guys, as you can see, this is went wrong. Turned left. I don't know what I did. And the video got boring. So, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video off right here. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Show me and my wife some love. Cause I'm dropping nothing but bangers, you know what I'm saying? And I know y'all got a kick out of this video right here. But in the meantime, I'm Kenny Kane Rogers, and you are now living healthy.